It is definitely a very windy day today, so we will test out the media pod on this GoPro, different wind directions. You can see here the difference between Group 4 maturity beans, which is a longer season beans, and Group 2.9 beans. So these 2.9s on the end rows, they are ready. These will be another couple weeks, which is just fine. The nice thing is it spreads our harvest out pretty good.
I love it. All right, I'll see if I can convince him to teach me.
Well, you have him train you because something happens.
All right.
We need you to know how to run it.
Sounds good. I will.
All right.
Take his job.
Something happens. If I get fired, then we need somebody that knows how to run.
I could just step in and do it, Kale.
For soybeans?
Yeah.
It's a brand new head. Turn update. Harvesting soybeans and unloading. These are very good beans. Very happy with the yield, especially considering the weather we had this year with the wind and the hail and everything else. Yeah, that's about it. A little bit of update. I think Megan's bringing me lunch and a bunch of snacks. I need like a food supply in the combine the next couple of days, but things are looking really pretty good. I need to wash the windows. All right, broken sickle. We are going to now replace the sickle. I can maybe show Laura how to do this.
What'd you do?
There's always something wrong when you get a plug. So I should have the magnet, we'll be just fine. I broke. Well, the sickle broke. Okay. I'll have you run the belt, which will slide the sickle back and forth. I'm gonna punch this out first.
I don't know how to do that.
I'll show you. Yeah, it'll be fine. It will be fine. Perfect. Come down over here. This belt right here, I'm gonna grab up here and it will run my sickles. Try not to cut off a finger here. This direction. There you go. Perfect, got it. Put those nuts on to hold this.
Look, green bean.
Lima bean. You want to open it up? On the radio. What I'm doing is pounding the underside of this bolt so it doesn't strip. You can see how there's rivets that actually hold the underside, so you don't have to use a screwdriver. Cool. Ooh, 8 minutes. New record on the fix. Thank you. Oops, that was a little fast. Welcome to Kale's combine cab. Would you guys like to see what I see? This is currently what's happening. This is a 14-row or 35-foot draper head. Grain cart is heading this direction. I will unload, and then we'll probably go to the right over there and pick a pass back. I'm testing out this new camera option. I don't know if it works. So, is it okay if I film you?
Yes.
It's a nice wide angle lens. I think I'm gonna throw these pants away.
What was that to imply? It's wide enough to get me in it.
The whole thing, the iPad, my phone. Oh, it's terrible. Actually, do you know I have a California Duster? Do you know what a California Duster is? Oh, man. This is really real.
Does it work?
All right, I'm driving. Don't run over anything. Yeah.
Can I get out and do that?
Well, no.
Why?
You can do the inside and the outside, but not right now. We have to focus on harvest
How about
and eating lunch. Oh, man. Okay, say it again. I don't know how they came up with the name, but it really works good if you have like a lot of dust on things. You have your cell phone. All right, focus. Let me get started, and then we can.
Why are you laughing?
I don't know. You make me giggle. It's nice to have company out here. It sometimes gets lonesome and boring.
You just want somebody to make fun of.
No, I'm not making fun of you. You have your cuteness overload, and you brought me lunch. I'm pretty excited about that. And I'm hoping if nobody's looking, I can sneak a kiss at some point. But emphasis on the word sneak, so you're not going to see it coming.
See, this is why I wear my seatbelt.
Because I'm driving. We know why you're wearing the seatbelt. I need to gobble some water first. Let me check over all my controls. Look, we're almost going 5 miles an hour, only a 90% engine load. See that balling up? I almost had a drink of water. Thank you. I sometimes forget about eating or drinking, and all of a sudden I'll get extremely thirsty. Thank you.
I brought these brand chips. The lime
They're so
pepper.
small. Right? You brought 12 of these, right? Thank you. This is an excellent time. Sorry for talking with my mouth open. My mouth full of food. This is a perfect time to do a food review. Kale, combine cab, food review.
Okay.
Sandwich outstanding. Made with a King's Hawaiian roll. Ham and cheese. A little bit of mayo. There's probably a touch of mustard in there.
Very small.
You did put the mustard in there, but just the right amount. You
I know you don't want any
No.
juices.
Yeah, no.
Squirting out
You
the
didn't do the
sides.
Subway amount.
No.
It's
Just a nice smear of mustard.
question. Megan, did you draw a smiley face with the mustard on the inside of the bread? I know the answer to
It
that.
may have been a flower and not a smiley face. Making a sandwich is an art. You just don't slather it all on there.
Your sandwiches are legendary. Alright, chips. These chips, every chip has a hint of lime. There's lime all over everything now. These are actually cracked pepper and lime. Neighbors are out. So, just nice to know that they've already got a load already. I was going to say, well, I was first. They already have a load truck at home. Anyway, cracked pepper, potato chips. I thought these were a tortilla chip. They're actually a potato chip.
What is that? It's like a little car horn from a baby toy. So cute.
That was an indicator. love the sounds this makes. That was an indicator that I was stressing the engine. I was over 125% of engine load capacity.
Don't cause any stress.
I'll slow it down for this food review. Anyway, I don't like a lot of pepper, a ton of pepper, or any pepper. Not a cracked pepper fan. These chips are amazing. I think it's the lime. Who makes these chips?
I don't know, actually. Grant brought them over.
Thank you, Graham. Great job on the chips.
Oh, it's okay. I'm sorry. Maybe I was supposed to save them for him.
We'll replenish the supply.
There's some left in the bag. I didn't take them.
So I mix those in. That's where you're going to get a lot of those big green pods. A lot wetter.
Is it worth it to even pick that? Because that looks nasty. You're not going in there with a lid, right?
It's borderline. Normal people don't do this.
Do you run cattle here?
We won't on this field this year. This is where, right here, this is where bad decisions are made.
I'd stop right there.
You know those times I come home and,
Yeah,
how was your day? Oh, I plugged the combine.
Are those the twins? No, I mean, serious, that is terrible. Oh my. That's a lot of beans. Sorry, no offense.
No offense taken. This is my field. This is my livelihood. This is what I did all year long.
The field looks fantastic. It's these end rows.
Yeah, actually, it's at the end of this field. I only got back here once or twice and I thought, oh man, I should really take care of that. Didn't plug the combine, keep going. See?
Good job.
I had a success on that round. The next round, I'll push it further, until
Can we make it to the
the combine is stuck. Thank you. That pepper makes it hot. The chips. You want to try something? You want the first drink? Pinky's out on these sandwiches. What do you think? What's your review?
I'm afraid to say.
One drink, everybody knows the rules. What is it? Maui Burst?
It has pineapple.
Oh, I love it. All right, now let me think pineapple. Definitely has sugar. Is that a lot?
Yes.
Total sugar includes another 59 grams of added sugar. It comes with natural sugars. And then we added more sugars.
What do you think?
It's good. But I love Code Red. Code Red is my favorite Mountain Dew offshoot.
Interesting.
So they keep dabbling in all these berries and these bursts. Berry burst blast. Oh. Oh.
If I had chips, I'd chew them right through your
No. I won't do it because we're on camera. So as you're eating, you would have food fly out of your mouth. Like the crunch of the chip, it would need to hit you.
You do know.
Okay?
I met your brothers while they were still in high school. I do remember.
Oh, it was so awesome. How much time do we have on this video? Oh my goodness, 28 minutes. Is that good? All right, now we're good. Good evening. Happy Harvest, day 2. September 21st, not sure. Fueling up the combine. We just had family pictures. So, but I'm going back out, excuse me, And gonna take the combine back out and make a few more rounds tonight, probably fill up a couple trucks. And the combine grain cart. It doesn't matter. Here's what I wanna show you. Filter blaster. This is my combine filter here. This is the filter blaster here. So you turn this on, and that spins around, creating air pressure inside the filter. I will set you guys down here, and this is typically, I turn this on, I run this, and then I blow air from the outside. Filter blaster. Put it back in. Here we go.